TV18, a realty giant who has emerged stronger in these difficult times. Corsons India Limited, delivering dream homes.
Thanks to his famous patient, Prime Minister Manmohan Singh, Dr. Ramakant Panda is now a household name.
At one point, it struck you that you were holding the Prime Minister's heart.
I love surgery. It was not really that stressful, except around 10% of the times.
Why do you think it has inspired people to romanticize this organ so much?
For me, this heart, it doesn't look that romantic. But when you close it, you generally think heart is the most romantic part of the body.
Meet India's best cardiac surgeon on Beautiful People.
Beautiful People, brought to you by Parle Hide and Seek Milano, now in 3 new flavors. iPill Emergency Contraceptive Pill, because prevention is better than abortion. Colgate Sensitive, fast relief from pain of sensitive teeth. CNBC TV18 High Life and In.com Mail.
From the creation of a reliable source of information to the celebration of a truly independent spirit, we believe in making a difference. Presenting the India Today Women's Summit and Awards 2009. Join us as we discuss key issues and felicitate some of the most respected women in the world. Only on CNBC TV18.
This is Network 18, and you are watching CNBC TV18.
Welcome back to the ICICI Bank SME CEO Knowledge Series. We're speaking to veterans of the auto sector as well as some SMEs and trying to figure out a way from the current situation, and is there a way out that we can probably come out as shining stars. One final reaction that I'd like to get from all of you, Mr. Biradar, starting with you. We've spoken about compromising costs, probably looking at other ways of value adding and things like that. But is there any other measure you think you can take as a company or the government can take at this point in time to stimulate this industry, your sector per se?
The government has to come in these areas and reductions of interest, and bankers also come forward at the whatever installment is going there, it may be still reduce the installment and extend the arrival period.
Mr. Bunny, like he said, some reductions are required. He spoke on interest rates. We spoke on the way taxation might change. But is that all that one should look at? You cut duties, you probably make things easier, make it cheaper, or is there something else that the industry is waiting for?
I think what we need to understand is at a very basic level, there is a limit to which tax cuts the government can go to and what tax cuts can be given. Because at the end of the day, there is a cost of running the government which needs to come from all the taxes which are collected. Possibly what needs to be done over and above this, as we have been hearing from various panel members, is there are various other steps which need to be taken by all the stakeholders, such as cost reduction, such as productivity improvement, such as looking at new markets. All of them put together may lead to a revival of the sector.
How can you help as a major player in this particular sector? M&M is a big company, you're talking to a lot of people, you have customers to address who are willing to buy cars but they don't get the finance, you have auto component manufacturers who want to sell the product to you but you probably are not in a situation to buy as much as you could earlier. आप कैसे मदद कर सकते हैं?
We have decided that not only we but also with our partner suppliers, they should concentrate more on controlling the inventories. So controlling on inventory and thereby controlling the cash or conserving the cash, that is what we are looking for. Also, one important thing is the situation today is that working together, automakers, auto ancillaries, government, everybody has to come together and work together for the betterment.
Dr. Agnihotri, what's your call on it? I mean, it's a learning experience for us all, probably set a precedent for times to come. You think there are major takeaways from this crisis for each and everyone sitting in this room?
Let's learn from this so that we ensure that the things will not hit us so badly next time when the recession approaches. There are a lot of things that we can do. First, soul searching. What has gone wrong? Where have we gone wrong? Why have we gone wrong? What we could have done so that this would not have arisen. That's number one. Number two, looking ahead, the time has come where we have to shift from competition to collaboration. There can be two types of collaboration that are possible. One is vertical, maybe with the OEM, original equipment manufacturers. There can be a collaboration where even the big companies like Tatas, Mahindras, Marutis have realized that it's all family. It's not you and I, but it's we who will pull through this difficult situation together. As well as there can be a horizontal collaboration among various SME and ancillary manufacturers. That is also possible.
One very important point here is the way this whole sector and this whole cycle is going. We're completely in the downturn, but everyone wants to know, when do we start looking up? When does the sun finally come up and start shining brightly? How long do you think it's going to take, especially for this sector, to probably come back into, not into a boom, but to start recovering?
I think people expect any time, but then in this particular sector there is this added problem of the global situation in the auto majors, which probably account for a huge impact on the auto sector per se. But otherwise the sentimental domestic seems to be reasonably up. People seem to think that things have actually bottomed out, and in terms of the only way up is, the only way ahead is up. So that seems to be the current sentiment.
Everyone hopes that 2010 could be a better year. Let's just skip 2009 because we're nearly there.
Generally, yes. Banks cannot, but they will have to take risks and start lending. So it will have to revive.
Okay, so interest rates are peaking up. 2010 could be a better year, and competitors turn friends. You cut your costs, build your inventory, and remember, cash is king. Thank you so much, gentlemen, for joining us on this panel and helping us facilitate this.
Presented by ICICI Bank Business Banking, your partner in growth, in association with Cybermedia, building knowledge nation.
रात के 11 बजे थे, कार इंश्योरेंस खत्म हो रहा था, मुझे चाहिए थी इंस्टेंट पॉलिसी और मिल गई ICICIlombard.com पर।
मुझे मिला हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस बिना किसी कागजात के। कैसे? लॉग ऑन करिए ICICIlombard.com पर।
प्लेन उड़ने में बस 2 घंटे थे और ट्रैवल इंश्योरेंस भूल ही गई। I got it online at ICICIlombard.com.
Log on to ICICIlombard.com. Instant policy बिना किसी कागजात के। Cassettes and CDs from Sony BMG.
होम शॉप 18 पर जारी है लव और गिफ्टिंग का सबसे बड़ा सेलिब्रेशन, द 50% वैल्यू बैक ऑफर। हर दिन, हर घंटे, हर प्रोडक्ट पर खरीदी हुई कीमत के बराबर का आधा वापस। सबसे बड़ी रेंज के साथ रियल वैल्यू फॉर मनी और उस पर 50% वैल्यू बैक। सबसे बड़ा सेलिब्रेशन ऑफ लव सिर्फ और सिर्फ होम शॉप 18 के साथ।
Take British guitar pop, psychedelia-laced Beatles, add West Coast coolness with a Bollywood twist, and you have yourself one heady cocktail. In its 3rd edition, Ray-Ban VH1 Global Music Express brings you Gold Spot live in India. Feb 18th, Hard Rock Cafe Mumbai. Feb 20th, Hard Rock Cafe Pune. Feb 21st, Watkinson Chimney, Hyderabad. Feb 22nd, Hard Rock Cafe Bangalore. And don't forget your shades at Ray-Ban VH1 Global Music Express with Gold Spot, where you can never hide from the music.
Ministry of Civil Aviation, the wings of progress.
Hi, this is Imran Hashmi. Chat with me on buzz18.com.
This is Network 18. And you are watching CNBC TV 18.
Taking Stock, presented by LIC of India. In association with, this is PlayStation. Fun anyone? Sector, no limit watches for men.